With 10 different areas and hundreds of ways to enjoy your time, Royal Caribbean's private island has so much to explore. Located between Florida and Nassau, CocoCay is a day's stop for most Royal Caribbean cruises leaving the Florida coast. The island offers countless different relaxing and adventure options to fill your time. Hopefully this video gives you an idea of what to anticipate so that when you disembark from your ship, you are ready to explore. The island is only 1,600 feet by 3,300 feet, so the furthest distance from the ship is only about a 15-minute walk. Like mentioned before, there are 10 different areas on the island, both with free and paid options of things to do. I'll also include the prices of different rentals and excursions as we go through to help you along the way. I noticed the prices fluctuated online. It seemed like the prices were more expensive right after I booked the cruise and got cheaper the closer to my cruise. Definitely book any excursions prior to getting on your ship. The areas on the island are Seaside Point, Harbor Beach, Chill Island, Oasis Lagoon, Breezy Bay at Chill Island, Cocoa Beach Club, South Beach, Cove Beach, Hideaway Beach, and the Thrill Water Park. First up, let's talk about Chill Island. Located on the east side of the island and about a 5 to 10 minute walk from the arrivals area, this spot offers a few different beach activities. If you are looking for spaces to rent, the beach beds and cabanas in this area will run you about $260 and $486 respectively. The prices can change based on demand, so these are just rough numbers to get you in the ballpark. Online, they show you in detail what each rental comes with specifically. The day we were there, the wind was blowing from this direction, so it was not ideal for young kids. Luckily, there are other areas, as you will see later. There are regular beach chairs and umbrellas available at a first-come, first-served basis for free. One of the complimentary dining options, the Chill Grill, is also located in this area. We did not eat here, so more on the food later in the video. Chill Island also has a shore excursion desk and other beach rentals to complete your day. Some of these rentals are shown on the screen. Next up, we have Breezy Bay at Chill Island. This is another beach area located on the southeast corner of the island. It will be about a 10-minute walk from the arrivals area. They offer beach bed rentals for $199. This area is where the jet ski, kayak, and other boat tours will be located as well. There are also regular beach chairs and umbrellas at a first-come, first-served basis. I did not get a chance to check out the Cocoa Beach Club while we were on the island, but I do have some information on the area. This is a private area where guests are able to purchase a day pass at around $160 per person. This will get you access to the temperature-controlled pool, which might not seem like a big deal, but some of the other pools were not so warm while we were on the island. They also have beach chairs and a separate complimentary restaurant with the day pass purchase. If you want to elevate even more, they offer full-day cabana and overwater cabana rentals at $724 and $1,400 respectively. The furthest points from the arrivals area are South Beach and Cove Beach, topping out at about a 14-minute walk. These areas offer all the standard beach amenities such as complimentary chairs, there's a snorkel shack, and sports court. There is a complimentary restaurant, the Snack Shack. Of course, there are paid rentals here with beach beds for about $260 and cabanas for about $489. One fun thing in this area was the floating bar they had in the water. The next area is again one I did not get a chance to go to, but it's called Hideaway Beach. This was an adults-only paid area. At about only $34 for a day pass, I didn't think it was that unreasonable if you're looking for a more relaxed option. This area seemed to offer plenty of areas such as hammocks in the water, bars to get a drink at, and a separate pool. It just wasn't an area we were going to head to with our 3-year-old. Of course, if you want to elevate your experience, like most of the areas on the island, they did offer cabana rentals for about $874. The Thrill Water Park is probably one of the most iconic areas on the island, and it features the 135-foot water slide that's shown on every Royal Caribbean commercial. I think that this is the tallest water slide in the Caribbean. The day pass for the water park was $34. They also offer other water slides, wave pools, and even an adventure pool. If you want to rent your own area, there's also a cabana plus day pass combo you can get that will set you back around $490. You aren't allowed in the area unless you purchase a day pass, so that's why there's no videos from this area. Also, thing to note, I think most of the slides had a minimum of either 42 or 48 inches. That's another reason why we didn't go to this area. The last two areas were our favorite and where we spent most of our time, Harbor Beach and the Oasis Lagoon. The Harbor Beach is my number one spot to recommend on the island for toddlers. This beach is fully protected from any wind, so there are no waves and your little one can run around and play in the water with peace of mind. I highly recommend you get to this area as soon as you can and get a chair to have a good spot for the day. All the areas as well offered life jackets, so you don't need to worry about packing your own. There is also Splashaway Bay that is perfect for toddler-age kids to run around. This area has water slides, fountains, pools, and a massive drench bucket. The Oasis Lagoon is probably one of the biggest pools I've ever seen and is the largest freshwater pool in the Caribbean. The pool offers a zero entry area with jets for kids to play with, as well as a swim-up bar for adults. They also offer cabana rentals for $349. There are a few other excursions on the island offered, such as zipline across the island and Up, Up, and Away. Up, and Away is a 10-minute helium balloon experience that takes you up 450 feet above the island. We were scheduled to do this excursion, but due to the wind, we were unable to go and received a full refund. The lunch we received on the island was a buffet-style options with sandwiches, tacos, burgers, and other items. There also were a ton of different sides to go along with your meal, and afterwards we had some ice cream before enjoying the rest of the day. CocoCay really impressed me and blew me away with everything that the island had to offer. Royal Caribbean had a lot of paid activities they wanted you to add on, but we had a perfect day doing all the included items. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave them down below. And until next time, enjoy your adventure.